So this is a Coupe Mini MP190 V.V. Okay, what this means? Well, 190 V.V, 190 mm the length of the shaft. Okay, from here to here. V.V means a variable speed, so you can change the speed from 1 to 9. Okay, it is depend on your usage. And then the operating with the single hand pulse button. Okay, so this is very straightforward machine. Okay, just be careful when you are operating because it's single hand. So is a blade over here. So this model comes with the 3 part: the motor, the shaft, and the blade side. Okay, for the operating is a simple, just put it inside your port. Okay, press pause and select the speed that you are required. Okay, so when you pause button, it means you are continuously plan. You just press and hold. Okay, for this operating, that's a operating. Uh, for the maintenance parts, for cleaning from here to here, you can open this part separately to clean. Okay. And then this part. So for the motor side, doesn't need to wash, only wipe with the cloth. For the shaft part, this area, all you can wash. You can wash with the normal detergent and soap and rinsing. So for maintenance parts, let's say you want to change the blade. Okay, this model comes with the blade opener. This is called a blade opener. This is a blade holder. Just do like this. Okay, and use the screw behind here. Okay, inside and twist anti-clockwise. Until you unscrew, release, try to pull out. This is the blade that you can wash or you want to change, and then this is the screw at the back. Okay, so the whole this part can be cleaned. To install back the blade, okay, just do the same way. Careful holding the blade, put it inside. Okay, and then use the safety lock opener. Put the screw. Okay, use screw, put it, turn it clockwise. And just for the not too tight, just a hand tight. And then just take out, and the blade is ready. Put it back here, and this part over here. Just hand tight, then your machine ready to use.